Hi, this is tkviper, and today let's make some origami. As you can see, I have this thing here that looks like a rose, but at the same time works very well as a frisbee. So let's call this a rose frisbee. So there are two parts to this. We need two pieces of paper, different colors preferably. Let's go ahead and make the outer one first. Alright, so match up two corners and then form a crease, just like this, and likewise for the other two corners. Match them up and form another crease. So these creases will help us with the next steps. So step one is done. Step two, we're going to fold the corners inward until they meet up with the center point. Just try to be as perfect as possible, but you don't really need to be that perfect. It should still work, even if you're a little bit off. Okay, step two is nearly done. And we should have a square here. Alright, step two is done. Now we're going to go on to step three. We're just going to fold the corners outward until it hits the edge. Just like that. So that looks like a flower petal. Okay, so now we have 4 flower petals. Make sure to line the corner to the center line. Okay, and now step 3 is done. Step 4 we'll wait until we finish making the green one. Okay, so just open it up just a tad here, so it'll be easier to insert the green one. Alright, so the green one, we'll do the same first few steps. So first step, match up the corners, form the creases. Sometimes if you do it like this, it can create a very terrible crease, like I just did here. But it should be okay, still should work. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing with step 2. Fold the corners inward, meet up with the center point. So I'm doing this video, so I'm going very quickly. I'm not going to be too careful and too perfect about it. When you have more time, you can be more perfect with your folding. Alright, step 2 is done. Now, step 2 will give us the same square, same size as the pink one, so it's not going to fit in there. So what we're going to do is fold the corners in one more time to the center point. And now it should fit. So fold all the corners in. Step 3 is done. Step 4, we're going to do the same thing. Fold the corners back out until they reach the edge. So just like that. Step 4 is done. Now step 5, we're going to make some petals. These little flaps here. So you see the flaps in the middle. We're just going to fold them out until they touch the corners formed by step 4. So step 5, just fold the flaps out. You see that? Just fold them out until they reach the corner formed by step 4. And the last one here. And those will be the other 4 petals. And now we have the inside one done. Okay, so we're going to insert this into the pink one this way. So we have a square here, we're going to turn this to the diamond shape, and we're just going to insert it in like that, and it should fit perfectly. Okay, we close up the outer one. Everything should match up perfectly. And finally, to close up this outer sheet, we're going to fold the corners backwards to the back side. Okay, we're just going to fold it until it meets the crease that you made in step 2. Okay, right there. So you see this this line here? We're going to fold it onto this line. So fold it back here onto this line, and repeat with all the corners. And now this will secure the inside green one nicely. And we are done. We have an octagon right here, and it looks like a flower. And now we can toss this. It spins very nicely. It's like a Frisbee. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.